Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a create a post before and after Instagram post and thumbnail. You can use this creativity in a very simple way within a 1 minute video. This video is really useful for you. This application Inshot is already installed in my phone. It's free. You can install this application from Play Store. You can see the effects you can make and edit the images. You can create the post. You can create and ready your image. Now video is start. You can go to the third option and you can select your selected images from the Google. I already download these images from the Eid status. I just want to share it with my friends and family about my Eid status, my Eid before and after images. And but this pictures is for exemplary pictures which I want to create for you people. This is all exemplary work which I want to show. Hope you like these images and you like my idea, because you can attach the different backgrounds for your like your community post for YouTube, for your Instagram post, for your TikTok post. You can also add it and create the superb work and superb image. You can select your favorite background. You can select your downloaded background. You can also create effects, filters. Yes, the filters option is over here. You can add text, whatever you want to write, wherever you want to adjust. You can also change the font style. My time is limited, so I limit it. Told you the matter in a very limited way. So I will tell you about the things which I show you on your screen. You can adjust the image size. You want to give any type of shape. All type of shape is available. You want to cut down, you can even a single image you can shape it up, and you can create also frame, borders, and many other options over here. So you can create a thumbnail, you can create Instagram work and create your post, and you can also show before and after effect from here. I just want to create a very simple card for myself for to show you the results. So I already upload the pictures. Now my image is ready. I already put on and tell you the all effects. I will also add the borders. Even you can also add your stickers, your brand name, your brand logo. You can check it out, the all stickers. Live stickers and animated pictures also available, but due to internet I didn't download it because I like simplicity. Hope you like this idea. You can save this image very easily. This image is safe and secure, and you can use this image. Hope you like this video. Share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe it. Hit the bell icon and like and must comment. I'll waiting. Till then, bye bye.